Ladies and gentlemen, restoring friends, it's hot here in Paris. Sweltering hot. The only thing to do is sit in front of the aircon and eat frozen watermelon. Or if you're like Paul, don't do that at all. Instead, drill an evacuation hole, escape to the cool of a hardware store, and levelling the floor in the cool of the evening. Please someone tell him to stop, because he's so wildly determined to keep our magnifique Master Suite project moving. I think until I actually push him into the ocean, he won't pause for a break. So let's get out of the direct sunlight and see what Paul's up to.
It's hot, but the insulation that we did on the roof, best thing ever. But I'm worried about you for tonight.
Dancing?
Yeah.
No, I'm fine. Why don't you have a rest?
No, we have to stay on track.
Okay, so let's go back on the answers. The big goal will be to create a column of evacuation for the water. I have to make my measurements right from the first time and create a big hole for toilets and the bathroom, the shower, sorry. So,
Well. Can you stop to chat right now, or you're in machine mode?
I could do the two. I'm a multi-processor.
Oh, good. So what are you doing? Do you want to just talk to the restorers for a second and let them know what you're up to, what the plan is?
We don't do a bathroom on the wood floor, so
we cut this area and we put off the wood floor. Under, it's a rough floor, so we have to make what we call a shop to put it at the same level than the parquet. But there is a thickness around 15 centimeter. So if I just put classic concrete everywhere, it will be super heavy. So I'm doing a light concrete.
How did you make it light?
I'm using something that's called vermiticule. Don't know what is it, but it's this kind of thing. Super light stone, and I have to check exactly what it is. It doesn't burn, and that's good for insulation.
For the sound or for heat or for both?
More for the heat, a little bit for the sound, but what we want in the same way, it's an insulation for the heat, because we'll put heating
Underfloor heating.
underfloor heating. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Chauffage au sol. So
That's a bit bougie.
yeah, and like that, it will be efficient. Like that, not all the heat will go in the floor where nobody feel it.
Mm-hmm. And so are you going to do even where we're going to put the shower and everything, or you're going to keep that lower and then we'll do a douche Italian a little bit? What's your thoughts?
I will wait a little bit before to install here, because I want to see how to do with the pipe, because the pipe have to run under, and I don't know exactly how we will do. So I will see later for that.
So just for the moment, you're just doing the base foundations.
Yeah, the first big coat.
You're a machine.
You're a machine.
You're a machine.
We are a machine. So the metal is here.
And what's that green laser line that you've got above?
So I put it on my reference points, and I put off 5 centimeter. So when I'm on 20, this is the right height. So like that, I'm doing something more or less flat.
So you're doing like a minus
Yeah.
from this number. Okay, that's clever.
And I don't put too much.
Yeah. Looking good.
Looking good. Feeling great.
Where does he get this energy from? I really don't know. Honestly, we should put that on a t-shirt. Look, Paul's positivity. Looking good, feeling great. Hope you're feeling great in this heat. Ooh-wee. All this technical chat mightn't be for everybody, and unfortunately this week's vlog isn't a glamorous job, but progress is progress. And in a way, the heat is a blessing because the concrete can dry quicker and this part can be finished pronto. While that batch is drying, it's time to grab a cool drink and grab some materials from the hardware store, and we can't resist looking at tile options for the little ensuite bathroom. It's nice. It feels like a spa. Alright, and now putting it up to the top. Just checking what that terracotta tile looks like next to this neutral base, as we plan to use these beautiful reclaimed Temet tiles that are in solid terracotta. They will replace the damaged ones originally there, and what I love is that they connect directly to the colour palette in the entrance. This beautiful terracotta border is giving us a nice cue to continue a flow throughout the entire home. The plan is for them to eventually sit flush with the oak floorboards, and you'll notice there's still a few millimetres in difference as the underfloor heating system needs to be factored in. But I think it's going to look gorgeous with a mix of terracotta and neutral stone tones to balance it out. Do you agree, restorers? Yeah, it's nice. Alright, we are feeling all inspired and reassured with our colour references, so let's just check back on that concrete as Paul does a final push for the week. So you just saw some amazing shots from last night's electrical storm.
Yeah, it finally broke.
And so if you've been in Europe and have been affected by this heat wave, we hope you've been safe and stayed cool as well.
Yeah, I hope you will, okay, because we don't realize how intense it is for the body. But now it's the resting time.
And we will see you next time on Restore Bonjour.